Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, November 14th, 2011. Today we had a total of 10 executable trade signals for a max potential of 41 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning. We were within our high probability gap range at 1256.25. We immediately went into a signal short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside. And then we came through our moving average, got a signal to get long for a push up towards that half gap. We were able to get our first contract off, and the target would have been up near that half gap for the second. We were within 2 ticks of that area, and the market sold off very quickly and actually went into an extension to the downside. We did not fill our half gap, and that ended up being the high of the day, and the market came down, ended up giving a signal short for targets 1 and targets 2. At the 10 o'clock reversal time, we came through our moving average, pushed up for targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks. It looked like they were going to make another run for the gap close there. Found resistance right at the open, pulled back to the moving average line, kind of crawled up it a bit, and then broke down, went down and tested that old support area near the previous day's low. Got a nice little bounce, gave a signal short, targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks to the downside, and as we pushed down into the 10:45 confirmation time. The market did reverse there at that 10:45 time. Took a little bit, but by 11 o'clock we did get a signal long entry that hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks. Again, another push up to the open, and the market was rejected there. Went into a signal short right before the lunchtime reversal time frame, and this one started to roll over, but it did not even get our first contract off. We ended up pulling straight back and giving a full stop out, which also signaled entry to the long side, which produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks, right heading into the lunchtime dead zone. The dead zone is the time frame between 11:30 and 1:15. We denoted on our charts as this big red area. That's kind of a signal to not take any trades until after we come out of the dead zone. We did actually come out of the dead zone, had a signal to the long side. We were able to get our first contract off. They went up and ultimately hit where our target would have been for the second part of that position, but they only hit it on one contract or one candle there. We did not get a fill. Market came down and actually stopped out of that secondary position. So T1 minus 2 there, and the 2:30 reversal time frame, you can see they came back to the moving average, set up a signal short, which ultimately hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks. So quite an active day for a Monday. We did have that high probability gap that did not fill, so we ended up with 10 trades today, 41 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.